This relic from a bygone era reflects the craftsmanship of early lawn care technology.
Turning of flywheels, but now it's got electric start. There we go. When's the last time you think you had it running? We're having a little bit of trouble with it. We don't know if it's starved for fuel or what, but it should be running a little bit faster than that.
You don't have a clutch tighten the bell up?
Yeah, I was looking at that. See, when you pull that lever, there's a tensioner.
Join David H. as he brings a Tatra 111, a legendary 1940s Czech truck, back to life in this 2018 video. With a 180 horsepower air-cooled V12 engine, this beast starts with a deep rumble. It once hauled heavy loads across the rugged terrains of Siberia. Admire the Rolnichi Chopper Diesel, a SAM project by Andrzej, brother of Yannick, starting up with a gritty diesel clatter in 2025. This motorcycle, powered by a 15-horsepower stationary Eziok engine, showcases incredible Polish ingenuity. It's a unique blend of agricultural grit and custom bike creativity.
Pali od strzała! Napinacz paska i wtedy dopiero jedzie. Aha, aha. To działa trochę jak Anastajko, tak?
Listen to the XT752 Fairy Gannet, the world's oldest flying turboprop, start its double Mamba engine with a distinctive hum at the 2025 Menominee Air Show in Wisconsin. This 1954 prototype, a 3,400 horsepower nuclear-capable subhunter, represents the Wings of Steel Foundation. Named Janet, it once served the Royal Navy before captivating airshow crowds.